Good morning, retail fam. Good morning. We're gonna do the long-awaited Mexc Global vid today. So I wanted to start up with this comparison. So this is just something to to give you guys some insights about why I am so focused on Mexc. Let's first of all begin. Just look at it. When you look over here. Mexc Global spot trading 0% maker and taker fees. So this is the leverage comparison I think that they put on here. It's not up to date because the Mexc has already changed this to 0.02, but they're still 100% cheaper than the second one. So meaning it's the double on any other exchange, and even getting more and more, even triples. And as you can see, so guys, the reason why I chose Mexc, it's not that Mexc chose me, because they did, by the way, like a year and a half ago, they did send me a DM if I wanted to partner up with them, and I refused it because I don't want to partner up with any exchange. The reason why it took me 2 years to partner up with an exchange is because it isn't that Mexc was asking me to partner up with them, because I was already forgotten about that. I did a lot of research, and the team also was trading a lot, and the team trades are based on my style, like the in and out trades, and they were paying really sick money on other exchanges. And that's when they told me, Ambi, listen, you really have to do some research on Mexc, because it's really mind-blowing how much fees you can save yourself on a yearly basis. And it depends on the amount of money that you trade, but if you're trading, it's really a lot of money. It's really a lot of money, because as you can see, the average fee is 0.005, and the second one, well, only the difference between the, listen, this is a bit less because this is now 0.02, but it's huge. It's really huge. And I have to say that I understand the thesis of listen, Mexc Global, because I had the same what is this exchange, etc. Is it safe? Can I put my money over there, etc., etc. So I did my research, and the team has been trading on it for a very long time. And from what I've seen, there is no difference between a Mexc, for example, or a BingX, or a FAMX, or a Gate.io, or all these others, or BitGet. There is no difference. They are a respected exchange, and they offer almost everything that the others also offer, and they offer, maybe they are in the top three exchanges in the world for the degens, so the coins that someone likes, because there are a lot of times someone hears about let's take PITH for example, and before it gets on like a Binance or on other big exchange, it takes a long time. And Mexc, what they do, the coins, the degen coins, are really the people, they're always or almost always one of the first ones to list those coins. So the degen coins get us first on Mexc Global, and they have a lot of degen coins. They also have some coins that they're listing over there. That's, in my opinion, you have to do some more research before you list a coin, but you know, you have to do your own research. And when a coin is scammy or whatever, you're going in. But what is the definition of a scammy coin? Even the best coins in the world, when they go down by 90-95%, and almost all altcoins that we know. And is that no rug pull? That's also a rug pull, in my opinion. So you just have to do your research and know what coin you're trading or what coin you're buying, and you also have to check the liquidity of an altcoin on the exchange before you go in, if you are going in heavy. But for me, this is really, suppose we're trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the big ones, BNB, or we're trading the Polkadot, or trading Solana, or whatever. Guys, this is a lot of money. And I know people that have been following me for a long time, they know I'm no bullshitter, I'm no shiller. By the way, guys, I partnered up with these guys. I've got an affiliate link. When you use it, they will give you some percentages. It's really very small money that you get from trading fees. For me, that's those pennies. I always put them in the box that I donate to my charity on a monthly basis. So I really don't give a damn about those fees that they are paying. And I will explain you guys also while we're here why is it so that most of the people, of most influencers that are on CT and on YouTube, they don't share Mexc Global. And I will explain you guys in this vid why that is. You know, guys, I'm transparent and I'm direct and I don't give a damn. I just say it how it is. Mexc Global, because of the low fees, you have to understand that when someone shares an affiliate, he will get a percent. He get a percentages of the fees paid. That's what he gets. Well, when Mexc is the fees are very low, means that the share that he will get from the paid fees is also low. So an influencer, it's not profitable for him to give you the exchange Mexc Global, because he will not make a lot of money on that. He needs you or whatever to pay these amounts on fees on very high leverage, and you will pay sick money, and that sick money that you pay, he will get a big share of that. So you have to understand. And listen, I partnered up with Mexc Global. Normally, a lot of influencers, they go negotiate to get higher shares. I didn't negotiate or whatever. I told him, he sent me DM. I told him, fine, I love your platform and I know it's the best for the retailers, and that's why just give it in. I didn't negotiate or ask him for money, and I don't need their money. It's for me, what important is that I get the best deal for my retailers. So I told them, whatever deal you want to give me, give it to my retailers. I need a good deal for my retailers. That's my retail fam. That's what it's all about. It's not about money for me. If I wanted money, I can show you guys like 30 DMs, 40, 50 DMs on my Twitter, and you will be shocked on the offers that I get to shill whatever and to make a lot of money out of people to shill. So that's not my thing, and people that know me for like 2-3 years, they know that I'm, you guys know how I am. So the most important thing about this vid is the fees, and just look at yourself. This is 0.02. Guys, if you're trading on any of these exchanges, just test it. Do like 100 bucks on Mexc and do like 100 bucks on all the others and make a trade and compare it in fees. You will be shocked. I did it. I was shocked how much money I saved myself. But we're going to jump in and I'm going to show you guys live how this is going to happen. Okay, now at the main page of Mexc. Beautiful earth, beautiful interpage. They really nailed this one in my opinion. Okay, zero spot, make a fee, take a fee, zero futures, make a 0.2. This is 0.2 that I was talking about. They increased it by 0.01 and they're still 50-70% cheaper than all the other ones. So now, okay, what do we got over here? Futures up to 200x. 200x madness, by the way, guys. Madness. But let's jump in. Let's go here to the spot. We go to spot. We're gonna get this interface. This interface is over here. You've got USDT, USDC, BTC, etc. and the favorites. So you just play with it how you want. They also have the Tradingview future, so this is familiar to most of the retailers that use Interview, so they can do the charting over here. I suggest that you do the charting on your Tradingview directly, and from there on you can make your trades. You can also use this one. You can make it bigger over here, so you can put on the indicators whatever you want, etc, etc. It's a really big shame that Tradingview is not allowing my indicator to get publicly, so over here, you can just adjust it by putting on the 200 EMA, 34 EMA, and the 21 MA. Then you'll get the same indicator. It's not a band, but you'll get the same ID if you want to chart it over here. So let's jump in. Guys, I'm using this account. I just made this account. It's very easy to make an account on Mexc. I just made this account for this tutorial because I respect my privacy and I don't want to use my private Mexc account to show you guys with how much money I'm trading or not trading. So what I did is I sent some money to this account. It's very easy. I love this feature. I send it over $1,000. I was testing some, so it's a bit less now. So what I wanted to show you guys now over here is Mexc. When you've got like a friend that's got also Mexc or a family or whatever, you can send money to with just putting the UID number or the email address. You just click on it, in a second the money is over there. So maybe you've got a good friend, you're telling them, hey, can you loan me some money? I want to trade and I need it now, and etc. He can send it to you in a second. That's why I love crypto, by the way. We don't need all the other banks and etc. We can just move money from exchange to from account to account in a second. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see, is my money at my spot? So let's see if my money is over here, available 0 USDT. So meaning that my money is not over here. How are you going to do that? You just go to transfer and then you're going to flip this one, fiat, not fiat. By the way, fiat, since we're here, fiat, guys, you can also, I didn't know that in the beginning, but Mexc also offers debit cards. So meaning that you can get a card, you can get it to fiat, you can put it in some currency that you want, in dollars or euros or whatever, and you can spend your money. I like when I'm trading and I make like $2K, $3K, $500, whatever, I put it on my debit card. I want to buy nice things for my loved ones. That's just how it is, and I like to spend the money that I make. So when I make a trade, like right now, when I make like $200 or 2K or 5K or $500, I like to put it on my debit card, and I'm gonna buy myself some nice things, especially now with the Black Friday offers. So that's something I also like a lot about Mexc, that they offer the debit card. You have to see if it's available in your country, but they offer it, they have it. So for now, no, we have money on our futures account. We want to put it there, and we're gonna do all and then transfer, and there it is, our money is over here. So we're gonna test. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do. We're gonna buy some Bitcoin. And what I also like, by the way, guys, you can a lot of people, they calculate in USDT, in dollars or in euros or whatever. They don't calculate in BTC because it's a bit confusing. So what the nice thing is, what very nice is about Mexc, you can put it on market. And why do I like to put it on market? Because I just want to go into trade, I just want to buy. And a lot of people don't buy a market. Why don't they buy a market and all the other exchanges? Because they're going to pay a lot of fees. So I don't have to bother about this here on Mexc because I can just buy market and I'm not going to pay any fees. So when I want to go in, I go in. When I go out, I just go out, and I pay 0 fees. And what you have to keep in mind also over here is that when you're trading small low cap degen coins, you have to see the order book if there is enough liquidity over here. And what I do like about Mexc is amount BTC and then total USDC, so USDT, so you can see how much money there is. You don't have to calculate it. So over here, like, there is 76K available over here, 300K, 70K, or whatever. So you can buy whatever you want over here. 600K. I think that most of the retailers, they trade with like 0 to 50K, and there is almost enough when you go to the big caps like Ethereum, like Bitcoin, like Solana, etc. There's a lot of liquidity over here. So I got someone telling me, wait a minute, there's not a lot of liquidity on Mexc. There is a lot of, you can see it, bro. It's here. You can see this is on spot. There's a lot of liquidity over here. So I want to put it on my USDT. How much I want to buy? I want to buy 250 just for this. We're gonna buy it market, and then just put on a buy BTC, and kaboom, order successfully filled. Something that I don't like about this, there is a bit of a delay in their system on the spot trading type. So For now, we bought. I can see that I bought 250, but it's not showing yet. It's not showing yet. You have to wait. And this is something that I don't like. So guys, I'm gonna tell you what I like, what I don't like. So there is a bit of a delay. So over here, I can see that my money is gone and it's in the trade. But there is. Normally, I should see it over here. So I'm waiting. Normally, it takes like 2-3 seconds, and this now there it is. Now it took like 10 seconds. And what is the second most thing that I like about Mexc Global? And guys, this is no shilling, this is just facts. The people that know me know I don't like the shill. It's the running P&L, and almost all other exchanges don't offer this. When I'm trading spot, I like to see how much money I'm making in the trade or losing. Like for now, we're losing like 11 cents. So the trade is running in a loss. So we're losing. I can see exactly how much money I am losing, because you can see this on leverage trading, but you can't see it on spot trading. I even, like a year ago, I tweeted to Binance, to CZ, please give us this interface. It's very important for the spot traders, especially the people that trade with a lot of money. When they're running, they don't want to calculate how much profits they have. They can't see it. They have to calculate it in percentages and etc. And then when they close the trade, then they will see how much money they made. But over here you can see your P&L running just on the leverage trading. This is really fantastic, guys. This is fantastic. So for now we are in a loss. We're in a loss. I expect that we're going to be in a loss because we are in a lot of sell pressure at these regions. So we've got a loss of 15 cents. Okay, well, you know what? I want to go out. I'm not going to I don't need this. I think that Bitcoin will go lower. You go over here, you put it on 100%, make sure that it's on 100%, and then you make sure that it's on market. By the way, spot top limit, OCO, they've got all these offers, but I will explain a lot about this in the leverage trading for the Mexc trading group that have used the link. I will make a vid about that, and it will be a fantastic vid. So for now we're running 21, so let's just sell. Order successfully. Okay, so it's gone. Now it's very fast. So now it's gone. So we took a loss, and now it comes back. Because guys, this is something that I don't like about Mexc. You see, the order was successfully gone, and then it comes back, and then it goes up, and then it comes back. I really don't like it, but now it's good. Okay, so now what happened? We gotta see what happened. We gotta see what happened. We go to our trade history. Trade history. I've been the taker. We taker. So this is taker means that you're using the market option. Zero fee. Zero fee. Zero fee. Let's go to the order history. Over here, order amount, zero fee. So we just traded with zero fee. Okay, so this is spot, guys. You've got all the coins over here, USDC pairs, ETH, BSD. It's all over here. The favorites, you can put your own favorite, like Pith. Yes, I shared a tweet. Team made really sick money on Pith. I missed it, by the way, because I was off the charts. I didn't see it, the breakout, but you can make your list over here. You can trade whatever you want. So okay, for now this is spot trading. Very simple, not a lot of things you have to know. It's very simple. Put in buy, sell, and that's just what it is. You can see your P&Ls running, and that's it. So let's go to the transfer, because now we're gonna go to spot, and we want to send some money to the futures. We want to send it all, and we gotta put in transfer. Okay, so now our money is gone. So now we go over here, and you can see they put it on hot. Why do they put it on hot? Exchanges want retailers to go trade on leverage. And why do they want you to go trade on leverage? Because they want to make money, and they want to make money on fees. That's just how it works. They want to make money, so that's why they want you to go to here. So perpetual, and when you're gonna see this, it's a beautiful interface, much better than the spot trading interface. So okay, so now we are here. Okay, very important things to keep in mind. We're gonna do a test. You've got over here the isolated, and we're gonna use the cross. So the isolated one will only liquidate you based on the money that you put in that position, and cross is if I would just use like 2, 3, 4, 5 other positions, and then it will use the margin used on all those exchanges. So I, as a pro trader, when I was leverage trading, I always use cross. If you are no pro trader, just use the isolated one, so you will not get wrecked. So just leave it alone. Very important is this when you open up an account, it will always be on 20. they have put it on 20. So you have to put it on 10. By the way, guys, my advice is, first of all, don't leverage trade. Or you want to short, that you have no choice, you have to leverage trade. And another thing that's very important for me is when you're leverage trading, you've got a decent amount. 20x is just max, is more than enough. Maybe 25x, but 20 is more than enough. And if you got a decent amount that you can trade with, 5 to 10x is more than enough. More than enough. Let's use 10x because we don't have a lot of money on this account. Put it, confirm, and as you can see, it's done 10x. Guys, it's very, very important that you always, when you go leverage trading, that you will check the leverage that is set it up over here. So it's 10x. Okay, so for now, what do we got over here? We got limit, market, trigger. So now normally on spot we just use market because it's for fee, but over here it's 0.02. So we're gonna do it on limit, and I'm gonna show you guys what the difference is. So over here, what are we going to do? We gotta look for where are we going to enter. What are we going to do? The price already came a bit back. Is it going to bounce for me? Let's put on a short. Let's use a short. Let's use a short. We're gonna take like 20% of our position, and we're gonna open short. So first of all, don't go do first the price. Do first, suppose we want to, just for this, we're gonna open it directly. First do the amount, 20%, and then we're gonna click on this one, and then we're gonna do, by the way, you can use here the long take profits and short take profits. So this is very important, but I'm gonna show you guys, I will show it, do it when it's already running. So this is just long position, and you can put in the short take profit, stop loss. We're gonna short now. Let me show it now. You put it on here. It's now at suppose it's at 5. You know, the price is running, but you can put it over here and then you can open the short. So this is very, very simple. So for now, I want to go into a short, open short. So over here, you see it, we've got filled already. So we're going down, and then we can see over here there is no delay, by the way, just on spot, like on spot, because they make these systems on leverage trading very good. So now what we've got 10x BTC. This is our position, average entry price 538, fair price over, now it's running over here. We've got the liquidation price, very important, 41k is our liquidation price. Margin ratio, margin use, the P&L. Most important one, P&L. It's running over here. So it's running over here. We are now in a profit of 5 cents, and it's running. What do we got over here? I wouldn't use this one. This one I wanted to show you. When it's running, okay, wait a minute. What is the price now? It's 540. Let's say I want to take profits at 5. We are in a short, yes, at 511. We will make. It will, by the way, use a market price. So it means that it will use a market price when you're gonna put in your stop loss of 511. It will be closed at a market price. So let's put that in. Take profit, and when we're gonna take a stop loss, we're in a short. Let's say 37, 577. So if it goes to 57, it will also hit a market order, and we're gonna lose $2. So okay, confirm. Now, wait a minute. The trigger price is close to the current price, so it might be triggered immediately. Now the price is not there, so confirm. So okay. So now you can see also on the chart, you're gonna see this one. Let me make it a bit bigger. Position over here, they will all, if the price comes here, it will trigger, and if it comes over here, it will also trigger. So, and this line is our entry, this line is our our stop loss, and this one is our, normally this should be green. I don't know why they're making it red. Normally when you take profit, the profit should be a green line. So this is a bit, Mexc, change this. This should be, this is our stop loss, so this should be red, and this should be green, and you should make this white. So they're all red. Maybe there are some settings that I can change that, but normally it should be automatically over there. So okay, so for now we're running in a loss. And well, we've got like 11 cents loss, and well, we cannot wait too long for this. So when you're trading and you think to yourself, wait a minute, there are some bad news came out and I just want to go out of my trade. Yes, I want to go out directly. flash close. Flash close will immediately sell your position on a market price. On a market order, they will close it directly. So when you're in panic and you think, you know what, I want to go out, I don't want to stay in, flash close and your position is closed. And there's another feature that I like a lot. If you want to close your position based on the price, you have to put in the price. So you have to be looking at it. Oh, wait a minute, what is this and that? A market? No, we don't do market. They have this future of loss. What they do is they will hit the price of the loss. So this is really great. So I would suggest that you first of all go to here. You do 100%. We want if you want to do 25%, whatever, you want to decrease your position, you can do it 25%, 50%, 75%. Or you can put in your own amount, whatever you want. So over here we're gonna do last. So over here, close short or successfully, and gone it is. This last is very important, guys. It protects you from paying too much fees. So now we're out of the fees. So what happens now, Emmy? Let's go and check the capital flow. The capital flow of the order that we made over here. BTC P&L, we made 6 cents. How much fees did we pay on this one? As you can see, we made P&L 6 cents and we paid 0 fees. 0 fees. And we managed to do it very, very smoothly. I've showed you how to do it. I've put in, so they bought in at a limit price, we get filled, and we sold also out in very quickly because of the future of last. They put in last 100%, and look at this guy, 0 fees. This is mind-blowing. Because, you know, I can talk about this for hours and hours and hours. You just cannot imagine how much money you are saving yourself in trading, especially when you are a day trader, especially when you're a day trader like me, an in and out trader. I like to go in, I like to go out, I like to go in, I like to go out. This is madness, guys. This is madness. And guys, there just ain't no better. And again, guys, I'm not making money on this or whatever. You know me for like years. I try to show you guys how to protect your capital and how to decrease your fees that you're paying. Because I've told you a lot of times, when you're trading on other exchanges, you all have to, I'm not saying, suppose you're already trading at Binance, Bybit, BitGet, whatever you are in the world, and you're trading one of those exchanges, and you think, you know, I'm very happy over here, I don't care, why should I go to Mexc, or whatever. Do your research on Mexc, if it's a trustful, solid exchange, yes or no. And when you did your research and you're going to open an account, put in $1,000 or $2,000 or whatever your budget is, and go trade and test the P&Ls and the fees that you have paid on them. It's a big difference, a very big difference. And again, I understand that a lot of famous influencers do not share this with you guys. And why they don't share it with you guys? Because when you're paying fees, a lot of fees, they get a big share of money of those fees. And when they will, when you made just a trade and you made 0 fees, they're gonna get nothing on this trade. They're gonna get nothing. So if you're using my affiliate link and you made this trade, I get 0. I don't need that money. For me, it's important that you trade and that you don't pay too much fees. That's what it's all about. And I know the team is having plans with the Mexc trading group. They're having plans, but you know, the team is very slow in these things. They're not like me, very active. So the team is having some plans to do a program, a free program, by the way. There are like 2 guys that said, no, we cannot do this for free because we're wasting time and it costs us a lot of money. And I told them, guys, it's very simple. I will not offer any paid program to any retailer, point, even if I would have to do it myself. So guys, this is the tutorial, and there is a lot of other futures over here, but you just have to go and do your research yourself. And you know, when I will be making the leverage trading, I will deep dive in on how to the good to be cancelled and etc. And all the futures that are available. But the basic things, these are the basic things. And over here you can get all the there are like there are sick coins. Every coin, even the Ator, the Ator that got rug pulled is over here. Any coin you're searching for, you're gonna find over here. Okay, guys, I hope that I didn't make the vid too long. And if you wanna join the Trading Friends group on Mexc, you can use the link below on YouTube. And you can also, my link is also on my bio, and it's also on TG group on the pinned in the Mexc on the pinned messages. So you can use the referral link over there. You can join we already have a decent amount of retail firm members that have joined the trading group, and I would suggest that you guys just go to test it and compare it to your current exchange. I want to thank you all and have a nice one, and bye bye.